Do you want the power of light from your finger? Well, I did, and this was the best option I could find. A sleek, cordless, golden lamp. And watch this. With the touch of a finger, I can turn it on. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to finger some light into your area. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a USB-C charging cable, and then of course, your rechargeable golden LED table lamp. The bottom of the lamp has a really grippy design to help hold it in place. Then when you set it down on the table, the reflective gold just shimmers and looks awesome. Even without the lamp turned on, it looks great and is a table decoration on its own. To get started, give it a charge using the charge port on the inside of the lampshade. Then it's time to check out its coolest feature. On top, there is a touch sensor, dead center on this golden lamp. Touch your finger on the sweet spot and your lamp will light up. Then tap the top again to turn it off. Then when your lamp is on, you can tap and hold the top of the light to dim your lamp as dim as you want. Then you can tap and hold again to brighten the lamp. At its brightest, it lights a decent amount of area. It's the perfect little lamp to use on your end table or nightstand. You can use this as an accent light or dim it down and have it as a portable little lamp to paint under. It looks good wherever you use it, and the light it provides is warm and inviting. The fact that it's cordless makes it so easy to move around and use from place to place. This lamp won't be collecting any dust in the corner because you'll actually be using it. With just a touch, you can turn on your lamp and see everything. You can even use it handheld like a torch. There's no limits to where you can use this. I used it on a hike and looked stylish the whole time. So if you want a portable lamp that will make you feel like you have the Midas touch and light up your area with a golden shimmer too, this lamp might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike with my new handheld table lamp. See ya!